How the Trump visa pause affects EB-2 and other employment-based visas.
Hi, greetings. I'm lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the last 28 years. Let us look at how employment-based visas will be affected by the recent Trump administration pause or suspension of immigrant visas. So generally, employment-based visas can be granted to foreign nationals coming from abroad or those who are adjusting their status in the United States. Now, if they are coming from abroad, they will have to go through what is called consular processing. Consular processing is a process where after the petition, the employment-based petition, whether it's an I-140 or any other petition has been approved, it is sent to the National Visa Center, which is under the State Department. And from there, it is processed for a foreign national who is abroad to come into the United States as a permanent resident based on that approved petition. On the other hand, if a foreign national is in the United States and can change his or her status from a valid non-immigrant status into a permanent resident status, then if a petition is approved in the United States, that foreign national can adjust his or her status here in the United States without going through consular processing. So what is going to happen is the suspension or pause on immigrant visa will affect employment-based visas who are relying, or those applicants or beneficiaries who are relying on consular processing or who are coming from abroad. These are the visas that are going to be suspended. And these are immigrant visas. We are not talking about non-immigrant visas like H-1B, J visas, and so on. We are talking about immigrant visas, which are green card. So that will affect them. But adjustment of status in the United States will not be affected because the foreign national will be able to transition or change their status, presumably from a valid non-immigrant status to a permanent resident status. So this is the big difference, and this is where strategically an employment-based petition should be weighing their options and making sure they consider not only the priority date and other aspects, but exactly where this petition will be adjudicated for purposes of adjustment of status or consular processing. So I hope this information was helpful to you. There are many aspects of this that are changing and will continue to change. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And always remember to understand the system instead of fearing it. Work with it and benefit from it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.